The 2020 Commodore's Cup Offshore Racing Series begins Sunday, May 24th. The annual Old-Timer Memorial Race recalls sailors such as Joe Crocker, Dick Hevery, Bob Ford, Gary Gordon, Steve Kerman, and Don Shaw. Starting at a sea buoy near Ponce Inlet, the boats will head northwest towards Racing's north turn, turning north inside a marker buoy, less than 300 yards from the beach. This is a near-shore sailboat race, so the sailboats can be seen from public areas, condos and hotels. For more information, follow us on facebook.com/groups/Daytona Sailboat Racing. The Commodore's Cup Offshore Race Series is sponsored by the Halifax River Yacht Club, Norm Church, Sail Fleet Captain.